Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Chantel, but my friends call me Chanty, and I love playing with makeup. For a long time, I didn't think I could do certain looks or achieve certain results because I wasn't willing to spend the money to get the brands and the things that I thought I needed to stay on top of trends. But when I started my channel, I started doing more research and finding more and more ways that I could stay on top of trends using what I already have. So while I started my channel as a way to create tutorials of looks that I really liked creating, has become creating trendy looks without spending a ton of money. The goal of my channel is to save money for myself, but also to show you guys how you can do that too. Some quick facts about me. Yellow's my favorite color because it reminds me of the sun and happiness and summer. Drama looks are my favorite, Exhibit A. And I'm really goofy. Any of my friends can attest to this. My blooper reels are my favorite part of my videos to edit. I'm engaged. I'm engaged to a very loving fiance, and we have a dog named Jazz, who is our fur baby. I'm a full-on dog mom, and I'm not afraid to admit it. If you want to check out his Instagram, his handle's right here. So if you're interested in seeing some drama looks and learn a couple of tips about saving money on makeup, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel trailer, guys.